Welcome everyone. In this video, we're going to explore a special button element, which you can find on the left side toolbar at the very bottom. Once you hover over it, you can see different presets available, such as your outline, filled, and rounded variations. We'll go ahead and choose outline button. Once you add it to your canvas, you can center it. I'll hold Alt on my keyboard to scale it by center. And we can now go explore the settings on the edit panel. You can replace the text of the button in this field over here, or by simply double clicking the button on the canvas. For example, let's type listen now. Great. You can choose the color of the button by clicking the swatch over here. Right now it's set to 0 transparency. We'll increase the transparency to maximum. And let's pick a yellow color. Great. Now, of course, the button text cannot be seen, so we'll go and change the text itself to a black. We'll go ahead and choose a different bolder font. Great. I also want to make it all caps lock. Perfect. I'd like to scale the text by simply dragging the scale option over here. Awesome. Now, the great thing about buttons is that they're responsive and they always center up your text. You can also add icons to communicate more. For example, let's go to the icon settings and click add. We can now choose the icon to be either left or right. I'll keep it on the left. We'll choose a different color. And let's go explore a different icon. We'll click replace, which calls the icon library. We'll go into noun project and let's go ahead and pick an audio icon. This one's perfect. Click that and notice how the icon is replaced. You can also tweak the icon size and position over here. Great. There's of course other options you can explore, such as the border, effects. You can add effects such as a blending option and even a drop shadow. Last but not least, you can even round the corners of your button by going to the position and size section and dragging the corner radius slider. Great, I'm happy with this button. I'll just scale it down and center it exactly where I want it. So that's it for the button element. I'll see you in another tutorial video.